Here is a VIZIO Smart TV. This is the V series. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is, after you put in the batteries to the remote, turn on the TV, you should be on choose your language here. So go ahead and choose your language. And it automatically said the voice remote is paired. This is where you connect to your Wi-Fi. You can set up later, you can do it now. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and do it now. Now I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi password here. After you put your password in, navigate down there to where it says submit and then OK that. Okay, so it did say connected, and now it's checking for updates. And there's an update. It is installing now. Once it installs, the TV is going to restart. And it's finally restarting. Where is your TV located? Living room, primary room, or you can go ahead and create a custom location down here as well. But for me, I'll just leave it on living room, it's fine. Set up your VIZIO account if you already don't have one, and you can see if you sign up, you get like tons of free live TV movies and shows with Watch Free Plus and so on and so on. So if you want to continue, make sure continue is highlighted and we'll OK that. Choose your setup option. You can do a QR code, or you can go to that website even on your phone using a browser. So either or. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and do the scan the barcode. So let me open up my camera here on my phone, make sure it's on photos, and I'm going to tap that barcode and it's going to take me to vizio.com right there. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And then from here, you can sign into your account, or you can sign in using like Facebook or one of your Gmails, or I can sign in with my Apple ID, or you can create an account here as well. So go ahead and choose one of them and then go ahead and log in. Now it gives me the terms and service and privacy policy. You can go ahead and tap that and read through that if you confirmed and have them both checked, and then go down here to tap on confirm. They're asking me for a payment information. I'm just going to go ahead and skip it, not interested. And this right away, my TV just said that on there. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through all those. And if you agree to all of them, select them all and then go down to accept right there. Activity data, go ahead and read through that. And if you accept it, go ahead and tap on accept. Viewing data, go ahead and read through all that. And you can accept or decline. I'm going to go to accept. Welcome to the VIZIO family. Now we get to this page, we can just go to make sure it's highlighted, get started. You can go ahead and watch all this if you wish. And which apps do you use most or that you're subscribed to? Like I do have Netflix, I want YouTube, I also have Amazon Prime Video, I'm a subscriber there as well. And I know I have Max too, but I can go ahead, it doesn't matter, you can do this now or like later on you can go ahead and install those as well, but I'm fine with just a few of those checked. And then I'm going to go down to next. Which genres do you watch most? I'm not interested. I'm just going to go down to next. Experience VIZIO. And there you go. We are in business. Now, if there's any other apps that you want to download or whatnot, all you got to do is just go to left pane here. So just move left, and then just go up and go to search right there. So for example, like I'm going to look for Max. Used to be HBO Max, but now it's just Max. And I can see it right there. And then I can search apps like that as well. And if you want to select your apps, go to the home page, click on the home button and just go down. And then you can see their apps right there. I got Netflix, Prime Video, and so on right there. Pretty simple.